থেকে
As per power scenario in the state is concerned, you see, we are growing in a steady way. Though our growth is a little bit different than other states and all these things. And we are now planning our adequacy plan for 2035. That when we reach 2035, how will be our power scenario? And we are in constant touch with the Ministry of Power, and we are flagging the issues which can be helped by the Ministry of Power. All these matters are being taken care of, and we are making our adequacy plan in terms of our power scenario, in terms of our all manpower and everything, including our system upgradation, all these things to reach to 2035. So these are working very with taking everybody into confidence. We are working on it.
If it's a 2035 means what type of upgradation or what type of plan are you looking forward?
See, naturally, we need to upgrade our own systems, whatever is there, and after the completion of our DSS, we will be reaching to a very nice position because the work has been started and is going on. Second thing is that to reduce our losses and all these things with RDSS, further losses will be there in place. Then there is the installation of smart meters, which will also minimize our losses and upgrade our position as per revenue collection is concerned. And so also we are looking forward for transmission and distribution, generation also. So we will be taking all into account to see that we are well placed when we reach 2035. It is not a question of changing all the transformer. It is the question that as and when it is required to change the transformer. Transformer may be changed because of the old age. Transformer may be changed because of the inefficiency of the transformer. Transformer may be changed because of the load capacity enhanced or increased. On that basis, and it is a continuous process also. It is not that we are waiting to see that all transformer will be changed in one go. No, I am not telling that 2035 smart meter will be done. Smart meter is a project which is coming under RDSS also. It is mandatory for all states to implement. And we have already mentioned that we are already awarded the tender. LOI will be given very quickly. And we will take our consumers into confidence to see that there is smooth implementation of RDSS. Smart meters. Yeah, naturally, when you go for a new system or new technology, apprehension will be always there. It is not with only smart meter; it is with everywhere. All other states they have gone ahead with the implementation of smart meter. There were lots of complaints and all these things. Ultimately, those issues have been resolved, and smart meter has been implemented. We are one of the state which are still lagging behind as per the implementation of smart meters are concerned. I cannot say you exact date, though we have a implementation last date, but let us not conclude immediately.
But when
because
is the
we are late of even finalization of our tenders and all these things because of some companies getting blacklisted in somewhere. And recently I raised this issue with the Ministry of Power in front of Honorable Union Power Minister, that we don't know when somebody casts their tender, only at the fag end of the entire system that we come to know that some of the companies are blacklisted somewhere. And he assured and he instructed immediately to CA that henceforth all the blacklisted company names will be shown in a portal especially designed for this purpose, so that when tendering process is done, we can just check through that portal that which companies are blacklisted or not.